My family presentation. My father. This is my father. His name is Victor Kushilevsky. He is 44 years old and he is a teacher. He is short and he has short hair. He is also very handsome. My mother. This is my mother. Her name is Rebecca de Cushil. She is also 44 years old. She is a housewife. She is tall, she has brown hair, and she is very beautiful. My brother. I have a brother. His name is Francisco Cushil. He is 12 years old. He is a student and he loves to play soccer. He is short. He has short hair and he is handsome. My pet. This is my pet, Tyson. He is 4 years old. He has blonde fur and brown eyes. He is a very handsome dog. Thank you, teacher.